Hello everyone, welcome to Under Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing 10 best movies available on Amazon Prime and you can watch it right now. The Lighthouse. The which filmmaker Robert Eggers earned a whole heap of critical acclaim, instantly held the attention of cinephiles and helped cement the A24 horror brand with his debut movie. The Lighthouse affirms Eggers as a singular voice and force of innovative formalist filmmaking that builds new nightmares from the technical tools of classic cinema. The Lighthouse is the pirate talking, bean snacking, gods and monsters isolationist nightmare of a movie's nerd's dreams.
Starting new on the
James Bond movies. If No Time to Die's suddenly empty release date has you hankering for some classic action, Amazon has you capital C covered this month. Now, you won't be able to watch any of the Daniel Craig movie with your Prime subscription just now, but the streamer just added a whole dang host of classic titles. The very first Sean Connery joint Dr. No to his post George Lazenby return in Diamonds Are Forever. The Avengers. It seems positively quaint when compared with the enormity of Avengers Infinity War and Avengers Endgame. But The Avengers was an absolute game-changing piece of filmmaking that proved Marvel Studios' big shared universe of superheroes could really work. And what's more, that it could work the best when paying off long plot arcs in epic team-up films. And thanks to writer-director Joss Whedon's knack for ensemble storytelling, the film set the stage for the MCU's even grander ambitions to come.
Turn into an enormous green rage monster.
Midsommar. There are few ups and coming filmmakers out there who have delivered the technical mastery and emotional savagery that Ari Aster 1-2 punched with his first two films. First with Hereditary and now with Midsommar, his sun-drenched folk horror ode to classics like The Wicker Man that sends the audience to gorgeous a summer solstice hellscape of grief, anxiety and codependence. Florence Pugh gives a knockout performance as a young woman dealing with an insurmountable tragedy when she journeys abroad with her checked-out boyfriend and his friends and winds up smack in the middle of a terrifying pagan ritual. A Simple Favor. Twisted thrillers don't get more deliciously absurd and provocative than A Simple Favor. Paul Feig's stylish mystery about a lonely single mother who gets caught up in an increasingly wild predicament when she agrees to look after her friend's son. Turns out the friend in question is a real wild card, and when she goes missing, everything gets all kind of fucked up. A Simple Favor will keep you guessing, but even better, it will keep you grinning from start to finish.
Such a beautiful girl. Wanna be
Mission Impossible Fallout. Mission Impossible is the most consistent action franchise on the market right now, and what's more, the most consistently raising the bar. As the first returning director in franchise history, Christopher McQuarrie has refined the MI formula to its optimal performance. Fallout gives us the clearest portrait of Ethan Hunt, the man yet digging beneath the super spy persona into the grit of what happens when he fails. How far does the living manifestation of destiny go to get the job done? Serenity. Serenity is without a doubt one of the wildest movies of 2019. The trailers provide a glimpse of the plot, which is that fisherman Baker Dill has been roped into a scheme by his ex-wife Karen to murder her abusive husband Frank in exchange for $10 million. But Serenity is so much weirder than this. And to say why would spoil the fun, you may see Serenity and absolutely hate it. But if you are willing to go along for the crazy ride, you might end up having a blast. A Quiet Place. A Quiet Place follows a family trying to survive in the silence and the mother is pregnant. Silent birth, that's not a thing. Krasinski does a killer job building tension as the family catapults towards the inevitable arrival of the baby and the creatures close in on their home. I have rarely seen audiences so respectfully silent in a theater, clinging to film's quiet atmosphere, quietly munching on popcorn when the score kicked in. Hereditary. Ari Aster makes a walloping directorial debut with Hereditary, an exquisitely crafted trip down a rabbit hole of terror and torment, wherein one family on the brink of self-destruction is torn apart by a supernatural maniac. Following the death of her mother, Annie Graham and her family wander into an inescapable nightmare of grief and agony, where every choice and circumstances brings them closer to their inevitable doom. Shot with tremendous precision, as carefully constructed as one of Annie's miniatures, Hereditary drags you into the nightmare alongside the Grahams and feature some of the most stunning technical filmmaking of the year.
She had private ritual.